U.S. stocks deep in the red this Friday morning on the back of a record plunge in U.S. retail sales figures, as well as rising tensions between the United States and China regarding trade. Now, U.S. monthly retail sales figures fell by 16.4% in April. That was a record number, while core retail sales, which exclude automobiles, gas, food, and building materials, they dropped 15.3%. Meanwhile, taking a look at the Forex market, the euro-dollar is where we begin. That sees the upside prevail. The British pound-U.S. dollar pair sees a bullish bias, that above a level of 121.85. This while the U.S. dollar-Japanese yen pair, that's under pressure. Now, the U.S. dollar-Canadian dollar pair, that's under pressure. And in focus, the pair is under pressure below its 50-period moving average. Short positions below 140.80 are favored, with targets at 140.05 and 139.70 in extension. The Bitcoin dollar sees the downside prevail as long as 97.18 is the resistance. The pivot point standing at 97.18, while gold sees the upside prevail as gold remains on the upside, supported by its rising 50-period moving average. Long positions above 17.22 are favored, with targets at 17.48 and 17.55 in extension. This while silver, that continues to see further upside.